Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Awesome and great things happen over here. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is gonna be a mini luxury haul slash like unboxing of something that I have literally been on the search and hunt for. Both items. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first items that I'm going to mention are from a brand called Lilysilk. They are a mulberry silk based brand. They offer things like bedding, pajamas, clothing, hair accessories, and so many other products. Actually, this shirt that I'm wearing is one of their products. It is a silk shirt, a silk blouse rather. It is buttoned down, and let me tell you, I'm extremely impressed with the quality and the feel and fit of this shirt. I really didn't know what to expect when I was receiving it, but I'm so happy. Like, it feels great. I live for some nice silk pajamas, a silk top. You know, I've mentioned, I think in a previous video, I have a black oversized silk button-down shirt that I literally wear with everything. I'm like here for silk. That's probably one of my second favorite fabrics outside of denim. And you cannot go wrong with sleeping on silk sheets. Like, let me tell you, we have some, and there is literally nothing like sleeping on silk sheets. Like, and obviously I'm natural, and not only for naturals, but anyone, whether you're relaxed or not, I highly recommend sleeping either on a silk pillowcase or having a silk bonnet for the benefits of preserving your hair and the moisture in your hair. Silk isn't like cotton where it's gonna dry your hair out and take all of those nutrients and the moisture. So actually, I have some silk pillowcases that they sent over as well, and it's like I got them in the ivory color, which is the same color as the top. I cannot wait to use these and to put them on my bed. I do want to order the sheets to match them because they feel so nice. That's one thing about good quality silk. You can automatically tell upon initial like feel of it, what's it gonna be like, and I can tell that this is a really high quality silk, and it is not gonna fuzz up, or I think someone told me pile is what it's calling when it gets those little balls on it. This like feels really nice. If you can tell, I don't know, my lights are probably washing it out, but as you can like even see, it's not even a sheer type of sheet, and I cannot wait to sleep on these. Like, they're so nice. Mulberry silk has many beauty benefits. It's breathable, it's sleep promoting, anti-aging, and it's like a nice soft feel, and it doesn't like dry out your skin or your hair. So we're all for that. So those are another reason why I highly recommend sleeping with a silk bonnet or a silk pillowcase, especially if you're like a natural and you don't, use as many oily products. You want to like keep as much natural oils in your hair as possible, and that helps when you have like a silk, pillowcase or bonnet to use for that. So highly recommend these. The shirt, as far as sizing, I got my true size, which is a medium. I do recommend sizing up just a bit, especially if you are a little more bustier than I am, because it is silk and it doesn't have any stretch to it. So what you get is what you get. So as far as sizing, I would definitely suggest sizing up if you're in between sizes or if you're a little bit more busty. And this is what the top looks like on me. I do love that the buttons are hidden. I love a nice hidden button. So let's see, this is what it looks like, and then it kind of like, it comes down just at my hip. So I love when the buttons are hidden. I feel like that's just an extra touch that really elevates the top and makes it look more seamless and clean, and I'm just here for it. So I did get this shirt in a medium, and it is pretty fitted, but I would suggest sizing up if you're a little busty or if you want more of a looser, relaxed fit. So just FYI. I also love that they came in these really cute packaging. So each pillowcase came in a little box like so. And then they had the little tape on the side to keep them closed. And they were wrapped in little, what do you call it? Tissue paper in the inside with a little care booklet, with this little care booklet and all of their socials and information on this side. And then it also has all of the different products that they offer and carry. So I thought that was really cool and really nice. And I love packaging that comes with all of the bells and whistles. Like, love me some good packaging. The shirt came wrapped in a nicely, you know, a larger size little box with the same, let's open it, with the same tissue paper in the inside and another booklet. So each one of them came wrapped individually, and I really love that. So again, that is Lilysilk. Their information will be down in the description bar. Highly recommend. And not even just because this stuff was sent to me, like I really mean that. Like I'm here for the silk sheets. Like I love them. Like get you some silk sheets, especially because you can get them on a discount, and it will be linked below. Okay, so then moving right along, I have this huge box that I honestly was not expecting to come this quick, but it did, and definitely wasn't really expecting to get it really at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. It's literally like huge. Comes like this. Yep. You probably already guessing it. Something from Prada. A nice huge box. Okay, let me just take it out of this shipping box. This box is literally so heavy, but I'm gonna try to hold it up for as long as I can. So you're probably already guessing what this is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start unboxing it. This is the receipt. Such cute packaging. I hope I don't have it upside down. You guys, I managed to get my hands on them. So I have the Prada Monolith boots. You guys, so I was on the hunt for these boots. Of course, they're sold out everywhere. They've been sold out for like a little minute now, and to get your hands on them is like, it's crazy. And especially if you don't have an SA, you'll pretty much have to get them from a reseller, and they're literally, the premium on these shoes is ridiculous. And I just could not justify spending $2,000 on this boot when it's only $1,400. So I waited. I told my sales associate that whenever they came in, put me on the wait list for them. This is my size. This is what I need. And honestly, okay, so the crazy thing about this, I called like a few weeks ago. No, I'm lying. I called back in October. So it was the last week in October. I think the 30th was that Friday. So I called on Monday, and they told me that they'll probably be getting something by, no, that was the week before. I called the week before the 30th, and they were like, they're probably going to get some by the 30th. There's hopes that they would. If they did, they'd let me know. I was like, no, I need to get these shoes. Take my card information, like charge me when they get here and send them to me. Like, that is it. So he checked with the manager because they weren't doing that, and he was like, okay, we can like wish list the item for you. And basically I just gave them my they had my information. I just said charge me when I get them, whenever they come in. So I was expecting them to come in on the 30th. When I didn't get an email confirmation or a shipping confirmation on the 30th, I was just like, you know what, I'm over it, whatever. So a few weeks later, I get a email from my card saying that, hey, there's been a purchase of this amount on your card. We just want to like let you know, because I have those alerts set up. So I was like, oh my God, I got excited. I never received the email receipt or anything. So I was like, is this a joke? Like, was this an accident? And then I received a shipping confirmation and I was like, oh my God, I finally got them. So I ended up getting them. And I was so happy that I waited, because I got them at retail, and I did not pay $2,000 for these. Anyways, so these are a size 38. I am usually in my European size is like a 38.5 or 39. I did get these in a 38 because I heard that they ran slightly larger, and Prada generally runs a little larger. So upon trying them on, I noticed that lengthwise, I'm good with the 38. However, widthwise, I needed just a little bit more room. The only thing was that, and then they ended up finding me a 38.5. So I called the store back, and they didn't have a 38.5, but they said if they could locate me one, that they'd let me know. And I got a call yesterday that they could. So they're somewhere out there. You just gotta look for them. But I'm scared that if I get a 38.5, they're gonna be too big for me lengthwise. And it is leather, so I know that they're gonna give a little in the width. So, and they're not super tight where they're too little. So I know that once they give a little, I'll be fine. They also suggested that I could put like a men's shoe tree in them and widen them a bit. So I was like, okay, if I do that, I know that they're going to give and they'll be perfect. So these are my true size, and I think I can comfortably say you can get these in your true size and be okay. This little pocket here is detachable, and you can choose to wear it by itself or not. It does look more intimidating, I feel, on camera and in pictures than it actually is in person. It's a little smaller than what I thought, which I was happy about. And overall, I'm really happy about this shoe. At first, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, because it is really my style, but it's just so cute. Like, it's definitely different, and I'm just here for it. So these shoes retail for $13.50. With tax, I paid $14.61. And then there seems to be no shipping on here, which is pretty typical for sometimes boutiques don't really charge you shipping, which I'm all here for. So yeah, with tax, they're $14.61. And I know that with some resellers, they are charging about $2,000 for them. And that's just crazy. I do know that some websites you can pre-order them. I know Neiman's you can pre-order, and Saks you can pre-order. But the estimated shipping date is, I think, in March. However, I'm thinking that they'll probably ship before then, way before then, maybe like sometime next month, December. I actually was able to locate these from a boutique, not in Texas, but they were nice enough to let me know that they'll add me to their wait list, and they did and sent them to me. So you can also check around. The reason why I called that boutique was because they were showing that they had the size initially that I needed, and when I called to verify that they had it, they did not have it. So they were like, we can add you to the list, and then whenever they come in, we'll send them to you. So that is another option. If you check online at different boutiques and you come across one that possibly has it, you can always call and check and see if they're willing to add you to their waiting list, because not every store is getting every size from what I'm told. So if that's something you're looking forward to getting, just be patient and check around, child. They coming back. They're not gonna have this stuff sold out that long, especially with the retail market making more than them. So guys, that's gonna be it for this mini unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the description box for the website for this shirt and those pillowcases, as well as a discount code. And I'll even, if I can find these boots linked somewhere for retail, that they're in stock. I'll have that link below as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.